Brackets and powers. These two symbols can change the answer completely. You already know BODMAS. B comes first. O comes second. But why? Brackets mean, do this first. Whatever is inside the brackets, solve it first. Let's see it in action. 3 plus 4, inside brackets, multiplied by 2. Step 1. Brackets first. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Step 2. Multiply. 7 times 2 equals 14. The answer is 14. Now remove the brackets. 3 plus 4 times 2. This time, multiplication comes first. 4 times 2 equals 8. Then add. 3 plus 8 equals 11. Same numbers. Different answer. The brackets changed the answer. Brackets are instructions. They tell you what to group. They control the order. Now look at this. 5 squared. The small number is called a power, or index. 5 squared means 5 times 5, which equals 25. Here are a couple more. 2 cubed, 2 times 2 times 2, equals 8. 3 squared, 3 times 3, equals 9. So why do powers come second? Because they act on a number before anything else happens, so you deal with them straight after brackets. Let's bring them together. 2 plus 3, inside brackets squared. Step 1, brackets first. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Step 2, the power. 5 squared equals 25. The answer is 25. Here's the simply said version. Brackets first, powers second. Then, everything else. Next step, multiplication and division. The equal pair. And the rule that catches people out the most. Left to right. See you there.